If you don't like feeling sleepy but still end up yawning, then this is for you. Yawning is super contagious, but why? Well, it's partly because of empathy. When you see someone yawn, your brain's mirror neurons kick in. These neurons help us mimic actions and emotions of others. It's like a brain high five. Scientists think it's a way for us to bond socially. Imagine a group of early humans all yawning together. It signals, hey, we're in this together. Plus, yawning helps cool down the brain, kind of like how your computer fan kicks in when it gets too hot. Want to test it? Watch a video of people yawning and see how long you can last before you yawn too. Just don't blame me if you start a yawning chain reaction. So, next time you catch someone yawning, remember, it's not just boredom or sleepiness, it's your brain's way of saying, I feel you. Pretty cool, right? Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if you yawned.